to another unboxing. We're doing our vegan cuts beauty unboxing for November. Sorry it's late. I didn't get my Petit Vour box until the 1st of December, and I have been sick. I've been under the weather, so bear with me if I sound like shit and I look like shit. So that's that's what that's all about. So before we unbox this box, you guys know how it goes. We're going to talk about last month's box, what I liked, what I didn't like, and what was mid. So the lipstick from, I think it was Medusa's makeup, it was good, but it didn't last very long. It's definitely a reapply lipstick, so keep that in mind. The roller, the rice water roller, I'm going to be honest, guys, I don't know. I don't understand what it was supposed to do. I used it on my face, I used it on my body, it didn't really do anything. Like, it felt kind of sticky and tacky, and then it dried, and it felt a little, like, tighter, I guess, but I think that's just because of the residue it left. I don't like it. I would not buy it again. I wasn't very impressed. The lip balm, it was good. It's not my favorite lip balm, but it does the trick, especially in this season when my lips are dry as the desert. So the pre-cleanser from Bella and Bear, it was okay. Honestly, not even close to, sorry cat, not even close to the e.l.f. Cleansing balm that I use. It doesn't even hold a candle to it. So honestly, I'm just going to stick with the e.l.f. Cleansing balm. Like, I'll use this because I have it, but I would not purchase it again. And then the Central Zone. This is my second time receiving the Central Zone, so as to help with headaches. I did not feel anything different. I don't get it. I mean, if you're good with the different kinds of like essential oils and that helps you cool, that's awesome for you. It does not do anything for me. Like, I'll use lavender because I think it helps me feel relaxed, but that's probably because I just like the smell of it. But this peppermint thing that's supposed to help with my headaches, I don't like the smell of peppermint, so it didn't really do anything for me. So, but without further ado, let's take it down and unbox the box from November. Open to the door to vegan. No bunny was harmed in the making of this box. Vegan Cuss. This box supports the Woodstock Farm Sanctuary. Lucy. Cute. And there is some information on the products. Euphoria Awaken Arousal Oil with CBD. Hello? Hold on now. Go ahead and feel everything. Awaken intensifies every touch, heightens arousal, and helps you access deeper orgasms. Our award-winning bestseller is crafted with 100% all-natural and organic ingredients because pleasure is your nature. Wow. Apply topically as desired to intimate areas. Not compatible with latex condoms. Uh-oh. Huh. Okay. So I got sent an arousal gel. Fascinating. All right. Now we got the Zion Health Ancient Clay Soap. Frankincense. Healing from Earth. So I've tried some of the Zion Health stuff before. I thought it was fine. I'll give it a try. It's just a soap. So try it on my hands, try it on my body. Belle Pierre Waterproof Black Volume Mascara. Now, I don't think I've tried any Belle Pierre mascara, so I'm interested to give this a try. Long-lasting jet black formula designed to create thicker and fuller lashes. Okay, where's my ingredients at? There we go. If you are so interested, that's cool. Oh no, guys, it's more Central Zone. Make Do Vegan Salve. Soothe and Soften. Now, I think I've tried this before. Hold on now. Yes, we have tried this before. And I did like it. It's similar to the salve I got, was it last month's box in Vegan Cuts or Petit Vour? I don't remember, but it's very similar. Like, I'd use it maybe once a week. It is a little greasy, so keep that in mind. But that's cool. They sent me another one that time of year. And then it looks like the last thing is
Birthday Cake Body Oil by Dirty Lamb. Roll-on perfume oil. Oh, hell yeah. First of all, I love birthday cake. And second, it's a perfume, which I was very surprised by the last perfume I received in a beauty box, so hopefully this is good as well.
All right, guys, let's talk pricing. So the arousal oil, I couldn't find any sizes this small. They usually come in much bigger size. So I tried to do the math to figure out how much this is worth. It's like $2.15 for this little tester vial versus the bigger bottle. So keep that in mind. The Dirty Lamb B-Day Cake perfume body oil situation. This is the big ticket item in this. It's $37. That's the price I could find. Oh, that hurts. My cat is all up in my grill. I like the smell of it. It smells nice. It's a little sweet, bakery-esque. The Ancient Clay Bar was $8.50. The mascara was $13. And then the balm was $10, which brings this box to a grand total of $70.65, give or take. So that's not bad. That's pretty good value for the box. I believe the box is like $30 a month-ish. So that's not bad. But I will have to try these products and I'll get back to you guys and let you know my thoughts later this month. All right. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Bye.